Hey guys, it's Matt with Contractor Hub, and today we're going to be talking about performance reviews, how to start a new review cycle and issue reviews for employees. So these are either annual, quarterly, however you do performance reviews in your organization, you can set them up and customize them based on how you do them. So let's go ahead and walk right through it. It's going to be in the people module under team management, and then you're going to go to performance reviews in the top tabs. And then you're going to see all of your list of reviews that have been completed or scheduled. Now, to start a new review, we're going to create new review in the top corner. We're going to select what employee that is for. So maybe that is for Brandon. Let's find Brandon Lee. And then we're going to see who's going to be issuing that review. And maybe that's Michael. And what that review cycle is. Is it quarterly? Is it annually? What is it? So maybe it's the annual for 2026. And that's going to start and end. You can select those dates, and then we can say what the review date is for that. So maybe that review date is going to be in December, and we'll do it right before the close of the year. So we'll do it on December 15th. So I'm going to submit that, and it's going to create the new performance review schedule. We're going to be able to see some quick items on, things that we want to do if we want to set the rating for it. If we want to give a summary on what is the high level summary of the review, so we can talk about what that review is specifically for your company. We can talk about any strengths that are in that review, areas of improvements that are during that review, so on and so forth. Right now, it's very basic functionality just for tracking that specific employee. But once that employee is assigned that review and they complete it, it will then go into all of their estimates for their company and employee dossier. So we'll get all of that information that comes out of that review once it's completed. I didn't actually complete it, but a new tab would pop up here with performance reviews. So that's just about it. That's setting up a new performance review. Again, there's very basic. We're going to be adding more functionality as time goes on, so they can be a lot more customizable based on your specific review process. But if you have any questions, reach out to customer success. If you have any ideas for it, things you'd like to see implemented, also reach out to customer success. Let them know, and we'll be able to get those things added into the system for you. So thanks so much, and look forward to seeing you on the next video.